Let's know how many hundred, tens and ones here. Go ahead, Meherban. How many blocks of 100?
6.
These are 100 blocks, these are 10 blocks, and these are 1 blocks. Okay. How many blocks of 100 here? Right.
4.
400. And how many tens?
3.
3 tens. And how many ones?
9. 439.
439. Next.
600.
And how many tens? Count me how many 10 blocks?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 tens.
9 10.
And how many ones?
3.
Okay. What the amount?
693.
600. Very good. Next.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is 100. 5 is 100.
500. And how many blocks of tens?
5.
5. 5 tens.
5 tens.
And 5 ones.
1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. What is the amount?
555.
Very good. 555. Very good. Next one. How many hundreds here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
8. 800. And how many tens?
1, 2, 3.
3 tens. And how many ones?
3.
3. And what is the amount?
833.
Very good. 833. Next one. How many hundreds here?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
5.
6, 7, 8, 9.
900. And how many tens?
How many tens? 1.
1 tens. And
6.
how many ones?
6.
6 ones. What is the amount?
What is the amount? 916.
916. Okay, next how many
1,
10?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
700.
700.
How many tens?
How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 tens.
6 tens.
And how many ones?
How many ones?
Write 6 again.
This razor.
Six tens. And how many ones?
How many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7 ones. Okay. 700.
767.
Okay, right.
Like, subscribe, and share for more. Bye bye.